Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you what is self-respect. Why everybody gives stress on self-respect. What is the importance of self-respect? See, if you go through the chapter, Emily Dickinson, she has compared the self-respect with the soul. With the soul. As the soul cannot be created, neither it can be destroyed. So as the self-respect. Self-respect is just like the soul in the body. She says that soul is there in the body behind the strong cage of bones, that is ribs, and it can be torn apart. It cannot be torn apart with any mechanism, in any implement, with any weapon. She says that as long as soul is there in the body, nobody can harm you. She says that self-respect is the base of life, because without this self-respect, one cannot live in this world with dignity. Self-respect helps an individual to identify its strength, to analyze itself critically. This is very important, because anybody can assess himself or herself, but if anybody is assessing herself or himself critically means both the positive and negatives are put together and then analyzed. What is good and what is bad? How much is good and how much is bad? Then in that condition, a person develops the habit of improvement. And this is what the work of self-respect. A dignified man cannot accept the supremacy of others. Cannot bear any humiliation, and always raise his voice against any injustice. Means, if there is any injustice, If there is any injustice in the society happening anywhere, a dignified person will never accept it. And this is only due to the tendency of self respect. In the poem, Emily Dickinson stresses on this point that a person must have self respect so that he could live a dignified life in the society. Thank you, boys, for this session. Next, we shall meet again. Thank you. Be blessed.